Hello everyone, my name is Singh Brad, serial number S1508591, and today I will be going through the assignment number 2 for BIT354. And in this assignment we have to show a connection between I will be showing the connection between Ubuntu 1 and Ubuntu 2 by performing a call from one machine to the other. As you can see here, there's two free PBX and free PBX2. Free PBX is a server which I've already downloaded and configured as well, and then Ubuntu will be our client. As you can see here, these are two free PBX which are running. You can see on the top running. The second one is running as well. As you can see here, it's just that I have allotted it a bit less RAM, so that's why it's like not showing on the screen, like it's not completely processing. But as you can see, the ID for free PBX first is 192.168.0.20, and for the second one is 0.21. And here we can see the Ubuntu's working as well, and we'll come back to this later on. Okay, so now we will go to the go to Chrome. We will put the IP address here for the first free PBX, which is 192.168.0.20, and for the second one is 192.168.0.21. So I've already configured everything. Everything is set up, because setup is a long process configuring everything. So I've configured, but I'll show you the steps how I have configured everything while we go along. So by putting that IP address in the web server, we can see the web interface of the free PBX, and in this I'll show you how I have configured the free PBX in order to work it with Ubuntu. First of all, we will go in applications, and then here we go into extensions. As you can see, we will add extension, and for this one I have used PJSIP extension. I have already configured it, and I'll show you the steps. So you go into extensions, you press on PGSIP, and then you will see this page right here. So the name I have given is Mukan. There's a secret is like a password, and then that's it. Yeah, for this one, that's it. We'll just press submit. And after submitting, it's really important that if you make any changes, every time you have to press on apply configuration. That is a must. So after doing that, this is in our first free PBX. In the second one as well, we have to do the same steps which we are doing in the first. I'll not go through the steps just because it's almost the same. I've just changed the name here just to show that, just to differentiate between the two machines. For this one, I have given the name Manpreet, and the extension for this one is 2001. 1 depicts the IP address of 21, so in order to differentiate between two of them. After this, after setting up the extensions, we need trunks. So how trunks help us is, trunks help us to connect connect the extensions with each other. Like whichever extensions we'll be setting up through this, those are connected with each other with the help of trunks. So we will go to connectivity and go in trunks, and for the trunks I've used the first one, yes, SIP chain PGSIP trunk. Again, we'll go in the edit options, and for this trunk name I have given 20 to 21. So 20 is the IP address of the first one, here you can see, and 21 is for the free PBX number 2. So this one is for 20 to 21. The name is Mukand. The outbound caller ID name is Mukand, which you will see here. This is a very important step because we have given the name 2000 to it. All my what do we say? All my numbers fall in from 0 to 9. So we will because it was a 4-digit number, so we will use 4 x's here, and then this one, yeah, in this one we have to just change the IP here. We have to put the IP of the server to which we are connecting. So this is number 20, right? So we are connecting to the other server, which is FreePBX2. So we'll put the IP address of that. Same, we'll just submit and apply config, and we will do the same in the second one as well. Connectivity, trunks, and you can see here. So this one is from 21 to 20, and in the other one it was 20 to 21, and this one is 21 to 20. So vice versa for both of them. We have to also set the outbound routes for these. So those will be selected from here. So when you come here, you just click on add outbound route, and there will be a new page. That page will sorry, will look a bit like this. So route name again 20 to 21 because it's going 20 to 21. Same here, sequence will be matched automatically default, and same here, 4x because of the same pattern, and rest everything remains the same. We will submit it, and we will apply the configuration. Same goes for this outbound routes. Here you can see the name is changed. Instead of 2021, it's 21 to 20 because it's vice versa. And that's it. We have configured our FreePBX. So now the server is configured. Now we will move on to, okay, yeah. So these are our clients in which we will log in with 1000 at the IP address, which is 192.1. I think it's 20 for this one, and password is, and we'll log in. I've already logged in into the second machine, as you can see here, just to save a bit of time. Next, and we did. Okay, finally. Yeah, so we have logged into the Ubuntu here. We will dial the number for the second client is 2001. We will dial. So as you can see, when we press dial there, we can see we have received that call here. If we answer that here, I'm able to hear the voice of myself in the speakers. So this is the name of the client is Mukand, so you can see it's call is coming from Mukand. We'll just decline from here. Call ended. It will be end on this side as well. And that was the assignment in total. Thank you.